Hello everyone and welcome to our Academy. In this video, we are going to be looking at the profile improvements in Civil 3D 2025.1. So have you ever had those situations whereby you need to look at a reference alignment, compare an old and existing alignment but in one drawing? Civil 3D 2025.1 has got you covered. By the end of this video, you will know how to do that. Now for the intro. So in Civil 3D 2025, if you just open up any drawing, so I'm going to just assume, by the way, create this drawing in the interchange design course. And I'm going to just create this, we had this centerline alignment. And if I'm gonna create its profile, which is something very easy, we're just using the same styles. What's very important is you're going to see almost similar elements of the style, profile, and all that. But when you place the alignment and then you say, okay, we need to go and edit the band. When you go to edit the band, if you pan all the way to the right, there is a column for alignment 2. So that means you can have another alignment that you can select and maybe look at. So for example, I want to look at the ramp and compare how the ramp looks like. So what I can do is, if I select ramp to here, let's say ramp A, and I add it, it's going to change the alignment horizontal data for ramp 2. That's what you're seeing here. But the easiest way to do it is you go back to profile view properties, look for the horizontal alignment geometry. I'm going to just use a new style. Now what I'm going to do is, when I go here, I'm going to select here, I'm going to keep none because I want to keep the original alignment. But then you want to be able to look at ramp A in this case. So what you're going to say is that, we can ignore a superelevation. You're going to see, as you normally see it, the band profile for the horizontal alignment that you've seen because it's a straight line. But then I'm going to have extra data, for example, in this case for the ramp, and details regarding for the length and the curve. Now, where does this become very important? There are situations whereby, for example, you're trying to compare an old and an existing alignment. So you've created there's an existing alignment that was drawn, and now you have you veered off. So you can compare these two alignments, both of their properties, both vertical and horizontal, and they can be shown in one drawing. Now the elements where maybe you have utilities on the side and you need to show them in the profile, that's something you can do here again with this feature. Do you have climbing lanes, auxiliary lanes, and you need to compare this? This is something amazing. And in Civil 3D 2025.1.1, whatever you call it, this feature has been added. Otherwise, check out other videos regarding Civil 3D 2025.1 that explain the other new features.